Hey, it's Vaishnavi. Today we're going to talk about tips and tricks while buying a new phone. As you guys know, last week we reviewed the Vivo V21 5G, and this is a new phone. Actually, I'm just filming this the same day as I filmed the review. So today we're going to talk about some tips and tricks. So let's talk about some tips first. First tip: never use your charger with a different brick. So what I mean to say is, never use this wire with a different brick. Why? Because that directly has an effect on your battery. So this is, as you know, this is a 33 watt flash charger, and this wire can handle 33 watts and or below. So I have a 30 watt flash charger, 30 watt charger from Oppo, but I will never charge this phone with this wire and this brick because it harms the battery and degrades pretty quickly. I have never actually charged my own phone, the phone that I'm filming with a different charger. And you know, in any way, charging it with a different charger also affects the phone. So never charge your phone with a different brick and the same charger from the box, or the same brick from the box or a different charger, because because this wire and this brick are meant to be together. So like, never charge this never use a wire that can handle 50 watts with a 33 watt flash charger, or a wire that can handle 18 watts and with a 33 watt flash charger, because then it harms your battery pretty quickly. Second thing is, always use a case. The case basically protects your phone. So if you're clumsy like me, who drops your phone and you drop your phone pretty quickly, I would recommend a flip case. Those come up for $200 on Amazon. Or if you're not clumsy but you still want a case, you can go with the same case that you get from the box, so you can actually see. It's the transparent cover. So TPU is basically transparent protection unit, so you can actually see it. Even with the case on, you can see the colors. But if you want, you can go for different designs, and you can even go for a flip cover if you're more clumsy, because these screens are very expensive. Third thing is, always keep your SIM ejector tool with you. Use the exact same SIM ejector tool. So I have the Honor's SIM ejector tool here, so I will only use this with the Honor, because the SIM card holes are different for each phone. So if I use this with this might be bigger or smaller, or this way it cannot fit in this, or is big to fit in this. That's why I use the same ejector tool as for the same phone. Alright, I think that's it for tricks. Tips. Well, let's talk about tricks. Alright, so if you love Harry Potter, you will love these tricks. So what you do is, you open your phone. So now, as you can see, my flashlight is off. Okay Google, Lumos.
Turning flashlight on.
It's switched on. Okay Google, Knox.
Turning flashlight off.
I am doing nothing and it's all voice assistant. Now this is something that you all will love. Okay Google, Silencio. Silencio. Okay Google, Silencio. Silencio. Alright, saying just a moment. Alright, this is on full, so okay. Okay Google, Silencio. Just a moment. It is doing it. Silencio. Now, as you can see, the full volume turned from here to there. That's one trick that you can do. I think that's like I told you guys, a small video. This is 4 minutes. So that was 3 tricks that I showed you guys, and 3 tips. So if I have more tips and tricks, I will come up with you guys I will tell you guys another video. So as you know, to keep your phone in the best condition, what to do and what not to do, and just to play around with the phone, you know what to do. You can trap your friends with these spells. You can tell them you can look cool. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next week, and stay safe and stay happy.